play with water. Maybe 小发。说你俩真的是，小咪，你有的时候偶尔也这样子累了，妈妈不知道。虽然小发他经常这样，经常被妈妈看到。小羊猫，You want to touch? 乖宝宝。哎呀，哎呀 ，You're so chubby. 哎呀，哎呀哎呀。Okay, where is 小发呢？Oh, you're here, 小发。Today is my retreat day. I need to wear my clothes because we are going out. It will be cold outside, so you need to wear clothes, okay? 裤子好吗，宝宝？妹妹wait， 那个你冷吗？不要。Today we will see the Dr. Low. Do you miss him? Okay. My drugs lesson has expired, so oh my god, so I have to get it renewed. This is the reason why I do my makeup now. After all, I need to take photo. Let me check the email. There's nothing important. Papa, go to the cafeteria. Okay, let's go.
其实我觉得现在照那个灯可能也没啥用了。
那就可以。
对，如果它很反抗就算了，因为我觉得它测值循环肯定已经是建立了。
Okay, Xiao Fa's examination is done, but the doctor said some of her vital signs are abnormal, so we still need to adjust the medication dosage and have the re-examination every month. 富贵狗，富贵。I changed another clothing. Hello, it's already 8 p.m. now. I'm back home now. I originally planned to film the footage for renewing my driver's lesson, but I forgot to take any shots. 小发，小发，哎呀 so cute, 小发 you're so good girl. I went straight for the medical checkup, and then fell asleep in the afternoon. End up with no footage again. 小发，哎呀，Oh, this is okay. That means whenever you request medicine dosage. Today is Wednesday. I took a day off because I booked a fully body checkup. Getting older makes me so scared of checkup. Okay, 小发，小咪。Oh, I will be super anxious of it. My mind feel with kind of bad thoughts, but I need to face it. 小咪 you jump to my chair, and 小发小发You need to take medicine. Oh, you're here. Oh, 小发 Oh, ha 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 ha. You want me to touch you? Oh, oh, oh. Love you, baby. Huh? Okay. I need to give Xiao Fa medicine. Come on, Xiao Fa. Now I need to give Xiao Fa medicine and then head to checkup center. That's the one, okay? Now I'm on the way to my home. I have already finished all the checkup. For my health, I also got a yearly gym membership, but I got lazy and stopped going there after a short while. My fitness peak is right after I got my checkup done. Once the results are out, I will hit the gym again. 小狗真可爱，这小狗，小狗，好可爱呀。Since today is Wednesday, there are not so many people on the road. I'm so happy whenever I have a day off, where others are working and the streets are so quiet. 哇，好少人啊！你看这边，这边都没什么人，连车都没有，美妙。There's not so many people today. 帮我拿一个这个吧，我们挑一下这个牙膏。这是牙膏。这是牙膏啊，这是他们的新品，但是我不知道它这个可不可以美白不伤牙。好像还有几种牙膏，因为我有蛀牙，是选这个呢，还是选我们
牙膏不防蛀牙？
哦，那好吧，那就拿这个吧。Okay. I got to buy toothpaste for sure. I got a cavity.
什么？什么牌？
我不知道。
听说过。
啊，佳洁士。
佳洁士。
也是听说过。哦，给我摸一下。哦哟，真可爱呀！哎呀，你看这个，哎呀，真可爱。好可爱呀，宝宝。
你怎么深刻？走吧。
It feels so nice to wander around the supermarket leisurely. 益生菌发酵眼白片，一点点，它是。看这有啥有？
因为可乐第一口只是2块9。
哈哈哈。这不知道这个好不好喝？菌菇高汤。好吧，买一个这个吧。叮咚。
这个好呀，不拉子。
尝一口。好少人啊！
本来就是。
不愧是工作日的山姆。This is my favorite, seriously. 这锤死你！那是不是我付钱？
我可以付。
我付。There are less people on the road and less cars on the road. Oh, I really like such leisure time. We order braised bullfrog with pickled chili and stir-fried Chinese cabbage and soy and pepper shrimp. 'This little eatery is totally my favorite. Whenever I have no clue to what to eat, I will head straight there. The owner's amazing cooking brings in town of regulars, and since we are such frequent customers, they always run down the bill for us. Hello guys, I'm hurrying to get my DD private car right now. I'm gonna be late if I don't speed up. Today I'm going to get my cavity filled. Found it during my last checkup. It's my first time seeing a dentist. All my friends said they're scared of dentists. But honestly, I'm totally calm right now just because I have no idea what to expect. Chumming while waiting for the dentist. Too bad I didn't capture the sound of the drill from the next room.
今天有我在啊，小凡你不能揍小咪，我知道你昨天揍了他，你别以为我不知道啊，弄得我一头都是毛。你要是再这样，你们两个我都不知道你们俩上我的床了。哎呀，我的妈！别打姐姐了，姐姐也不容易，姐姐得了心脏病。
Both of my kitties have been sticking me non-stop, and Xiao Fa fought with Xiao Mi again. They were been bickering since they were little. God say, I actually love this vibe. A lazy weekend with sunshine, heating, my phone, Wi-Fi, and my kitties. No work holding me back. If I could live like this every day with a steady income, just thinking about it makes me happy. Today, Mona asked me to go hiking. For someone like me who hates working out and barely spend time in nature, it's the perfect chance to get some exercise. I've never been hiking before, always thought it was just like a casual work, but turns out it's actually real mountain climbing. Totally immersing myself in nature now.
哎呀！小宝，我已经出汗了，你没出汗吗？
看。小狗，啊，这小狗真可爱。
过了你就知道吃了。
它是什么品种啊？它好漂亮。嗯。它有点像金毛，又有点像。
它妈妈是灰泰迪。
哦。
爸爸呢？有点像。爸爸不知道是谁。哦，这朋友家抱来的，爸爸就不知道了。朋友家那个。它就是小型犬是吗？小型的就这么大。
糖可以
会开家吗？
小时候
人不在就
小时候会。
哦，它会躺着。
它可以躺着。
可爱，好想睡，我是太阳出来。
真的好可爱呀！
你家就一只小狗是吗？
对，就这么。我先溜尾进了哈。
哎呀，跟小狗一起爬山，小旺开心的不行，小旺。